NASA Wallops send-off upholds SPE Demon testing science instruments. A sounding rocket send-off testing science instruments for future missions was effectively directed at 9:16 p.m. EDT, August 23, 2022, from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. The Terrier Improved Malamute conveyed the Sporadic Electrodynamics Demonstration Mission, or SPE Demon, to an apogee of 100 miles prior to dropping and arriving in the Atlantic Ocean. The trial was not wanted to be recuperated. The reason for the SPE Demon mission was to test new instrumentation alongside legacy instruments that have flown on other sounding rocket missions, yet at the same not together. The SPE Demon instruments will be additionally worked on in view of results from this send-off and will thusly fly on a science mission focused on for summer 2024 from the Kwajalein Atoll in the Marshall Islands and perhaps numerous other sounding rocket open doors. This was an incredible mission. Primary investigation shows that we flew through a sporadic occasion on the down leg and the information looks perfect. We'll be taking a gander at the exhibition, everything being equal, to prepare us for the 2024 send-off, said Arobar Yatya, SPE Demon head examiner and overseer of the Space and Atmospheric Instrumentation Lab at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach, Florida. While the primary motivation behind SPE Demon was to test the instrument bundle and hazard decrease on a few new innovations for utilization on resulting rocket missions, researchers are energized that they had the option to send off into a sporadic layer in the ionosphere, the electric upper part of Earth's air that is made of ionized gas called plasma. Inconsistent layers on Earth can make capricious disturbances radio interchanges. The following send-off from Wallops is focused on for late October 2022.